What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Whether you are new here or you're returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video, we're going to do a DIY. Excuse how I'm looking, guys. As you guys can see, I'm in a different background. I am in my salon studio and I do have a DIY project I wanted to show you guys. I almost forgot to record it, but I know some of you guys will be super excited to see this DIY project that I am doing. So stay tuned if you want to see this project. I am making a basket rack, I guess we're calling it. I'm not sure. I haven't came up with a name for it. If you guys watching this video, you see the title, so I have then found a name for it. So if you guys want to see how I make this, stay tuned. Don't forget to like this video. Please, it helps a lot if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not already. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell and turn on your post notifications so you know every time I upload a video. Thank you guys so much for watching and being part of my family. It is going to be a voiceover for the rest of the video because I am jamming to music and I don't want to get copyrighted, of course. And excuse the mess, like I said, excuse the mess how I'm looking. I am getting stuff done, doing some painting, getting my salon suite together. So thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah. Okay, so for this project, you'll need 2 pieces of wood. Mine were 1 inch wide and 30 inches long. You'll need 2 nails, a hammer, 2 baskets, some screws, and a drill. Ruler or tape measure, and ready nails, which you'll see later in the video. Okay, so first things first, you'll want to place the wood how you want your rack to lay. I wanted mine in an X shape, so that's what I did. I made it in an X shape. Okay, so next you'll want to measure the width of your basket to make sure your legs are wide enough, which you see me doing here. You can test it with the screws. Okay, luckily for me, the wood I was using already had holes in it because it came off one of those dresser mirrors. You know, the mirrors that are normally on the back of your dresser or attached to your dresser. So if yours doesn't have holes, that's what the drill will be used for. You can go ahead and drill holes. So you'll need to measure it, mark it, and then drill the holes. And right here is where you see me using the screws to test out the weight of the basket and the placement of it to see where I would actually hook the basket onto. Okay, so from there you'll want to go ahead and hammer a nail in the center just to hold it together. You want to do the front and the back. I initially just did the front and it was a little unstable, so I went ahead and hammered the back as well. And I literally got this hammer from the Dollar Tree, literally. Okay, y'all, so listen. Initially, I thought that I could use screws to hold up my basket and it would work, but I quickly found out that that was not going to work. And so I left this clip in there so you guys could see that screws did not work. I was sadly mistaken. Y'all, look at this. We gotta replay that. Yes, so please do not use screws. So good thing I already had a whole bunch of tools with me. So I had these ready hooks, I think they're called, and these worked perfectly. Oh my goodness, worked perfectly. So you're going to need 4 of these, and they automatically come with nails in them, so that worked out perfectly as well. So you just want to hammer all 4 of those in. There you go. It should look like that. And that's basically it, guys. For this DIY, you have your very own storage racks. You could definitely use this in your kitchen, your bathroom, your makeup room, basically wherever you want it. I did display mine in my salon suite for my tools, and that's really pretty much it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this DIY. If you decide to try it, tag me in it. I would love to see where you guys store yours and what you use it for. And until next time, you guys already know I'm your girl Sierra Nicole, and I will see you guys in my next video.